Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name is Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Audi A3 1.4 TFSI S Line Sportback 5-door. Now this vehicle is currently on 34,852 miles and it's had 2 previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour fluorite silver, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your Xenon Plus headlights that light up the road nice and well at night, giving you great visibility. You have your Audi badge there on the front grille. Around here to the side you have your very sporty 18-inch alloy wheels. You have your S-Line badge in there on the side, and you also have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Now let's go and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle here. You can see your gorgeous partial leather seats with a nice textured cloth there in the centre. The right ice fix points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers, and you even have rear air conditioning vents there, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably. Moving on to the rear here, you do have your dual exhaust there, along with your A3 TFSI badging on the tailgate. Now let's go and open up the boot here. You can see you do have a very nice amount of boot space there to fit a weekly shopping. You even have tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. There's even some additional storage underneath your false boot floor there as well, making it very nice and practical. Top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate, and moving around now, let's go and take a look inside here up front of the vehicle. You do have your leather multifunction S-Line branded flat bottom steering wheel there. Moving around here, you have your S-Line badging embossed into the front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There's even an armrest there in the centre console, so you can travel comfortably. There's a nice little compartment in there as well. Now that we've had a look around the vehicle, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi A3 has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice protected. It's super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users, as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You do have full electric windows there with buttons on either side for locking the rear doors for your child locks to keep children safe there at the rear. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your wiper stock there behind the right of the steering wheel, and here on the right you have your volume controls for the infotainment system. Here on the left you have your controls for your nice digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can access all different information on here, such as your miles to the gallon. You have your trip computers there, you have your mileage as well. You can even access additional menus here, such as your efficiency program, your digital speedometer. You can also access additional menus there, such as your audio and phone, making adjustments to the radio. You have your indicator stock there, and below this you will find your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal for those longer motorway journeys there. Moving on now, up top here on the dashboard you will find your infotainment screen. It's controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console. You have your switches to access your different menus. You have your radio here. You do have your DAB, FM and AM radio. And with your DAB, you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital. So if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. You can scroll through all different stations there that you have available to you that you can tune in, making it super easy to tune your favourite stations in. Moving on here, you do have your media connectivity, you do have your Audi music interface along with your SD input CD player, and there's also Bluetooth as well, giving you many options for playing your own source of audio. Here with your Bluetooth, you do also have your telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go and keep up to date with whoever you need to, ensuring you don't miss any important phone calls there. You can connect multiple devices to the vehicle, having one paired at a time. You can access some vehicle settings here. You do have some steering wheel controls along with your lighting in the vehicle. You also have some driver assist features here. You do have your speed warning where you can set up a speed limit that the vehicle will alert you when you start to exceed it. You also have your parking aid there. You can make adjustments to the rear sensors. These will give you added confidence when reverse parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings to the rear of the vehicle of things you might be able to see. You also have your rest recommendation there where the vehicle will alert you when to take a break during those longer journeys and you're starting to lose concentration a bit. You even have your rain sensing on and off for the rain sensing wipers there. You can turn them on and off. You have your Audi Drive Select with your different driving modes. You have your efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual, which change how the vehicle performs and handles. You can enhance your driving experience through these. With your individual mode, you can set up your own preferences to the engine with comfort, auto or dynamic. And your steering as well with comfort, auto and dynamic again. So the vehicle will drive and perform specifically how you want it to. You have your start stop on and off there, your hazard lighting, your traction control on and off, along with a button there for opening and closing your infotainment screen. You can hide it away on the dashboard. Below here you do have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices for their side of the vehicle. It prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold. Overall, your controls are very straightforward to use. It's not overly clustered with different buttons. You have your direction of airflow controls there to the right, your fan speed in the centre. You have a ashtray there that's never been used. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A3 1.4 TFSI S Line Sportback 5-door. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.